Okay, so let's see how the cabinet works. And I'm going to load it to this track. Let's turn it off. Here I just have, let's listen to the dry sound. I have this piano loop from the B-Tools pack. You can download for free if you have Ableton Suite. Okay, so the cabinet, just like the amp, was co-developed by Softube. You can even right-click here, do about. You see Softube. Already 2010, it's been a while. Now the cabinet emulates the speakers, the cabinets that usually are connected to the actual amplifier of the guitar. So this means that it was intended to play hand in hand or come right after the amp effect. Okay, but we're just going to use it as is just to talk about what's going on, and we're not going to even use it on a guitar. Of course, you can use it on a guitar, but it can be just a great effect, kind of a filtering effect for any type of source you want. So this is really great to make things a bit more filtered, a bit more lo-fi. Right here we can choose the combination of speakers. So that means how many speakers do we have, 1, 2, or 4, and what's the size of each one, 12-inch or 10-inch. We also have some bass speakers. So let's go over them just to listen. Just a very subtle difference in the frequency response. Here we can choose where is the microphone being placed, near, right on the axis, near off axis, kind of diagonal, or further away from the speaker. Now we can also choose the type of microphone, condenser or dynamic. Dynamic microphones are usually in real life more used on near axis, like near the amplifier itself, because they can handle higher volumes. Condensers are used more far away from the amp, but because this is software, you can do whatever you want and just experiment. Let's try to listen to a few changes here. Nice, and here we have the output. This will change from mono to dual. Dual processing, basically doubling the amount of cabinets that you use. So also the CPU will be doubled, and we have the dry wet to decide how much of the effect we're actually mixing in with the dry. 100%, you only hear what's coming out of the cabinet. This is a great effect just to get things to be a bit more lo-fi, a bit more muffled, a bit more filtered, to get an interesting color for them. And of course, you can use it right after the amp for kind of a combination of an amp simulation.